Guys, this is Sudhakar from Stock Alerts, and I have been developing this site
तुम्हाला तो कौन में से भी आवाज
for
करता है?
last 2 years. Guys, if you can mute yourself so that it will not be disturbed for others, and uh, like thanks to Dimesh Bhai just giving this opportunity to tell like exploring my site to all of you guys. So, and I will give you the short introduction about the site, what are the features are available and how to use it, and based on your needs and based on your requirements, you can use whatever the feature you want to here use. And in the final, you can either you can suggest a new feature or you can suggest a like a any new scans, anything based on we'll be talking about the last. So let me go through about this site, like what are the features are available and how we will be seeing now. So I will just open a PPT so that we'll get a overview, and we'll go to the site and we can see the site with the real information. So, and this is the just okay. So in SSTalk Alerts, what are is available is first a scanner. So a scanner nowadays we need a scanner. I think manually going through all the stocks is very difficult, and so I just like there are already so many scanners are there. Then why this scanner is special? I'll just explain it. And there is a stock info. So if you want to get any stock information, so we'll be going here itself. So first is a scanner. So what it is currently in our site we have 267 predefined scans. So and we'll be seeing what are the scans available, and you can apply these scans based on the daily, weekly and monthly time frames. And if you need any combination, and you can create your own combination also instead of like predefined things, you can give your combination also here. And we'll be seeing that so let me go to the real site. Let me go to the site and we'll be seeing like what are scanners are available here. Okay, so just you can go to sstalkalerts.in. It will get you the screen, the first screen. And from here, if you want to join to the any discussion group something, you can join here. So, and here the links are available, scans. So this is the link for our scans. Either you can click on here, and there is a this here also you can click, which will take us to the scans page. So I just clicked it. Okay, so here you can see, right? And the thing is this view is optimized for mobile as well as the desktop. So the most of the features are optimized for mobiles and the desktop, but it is pretty much clean when you see in the desktop mode. So because you'll get the enough space here, but in the mobile you will not get that much space to just see the detailed information. But still I try to develop with the interactive one, and if there are any issues, we'll be seeing it. So this is the scans, and here so and there are so many scans are there, and you can see the count, right? There are 267 are there, and that is not important. So what is important, whatever the like, suppose there are so many things are there here. Each scan you can go through by its a heading. So if I want to scan based on the ADX patterns, like ADX indicator, you can go to ADX patterns. Suppose I am a Ichimoku trader and I want to go to I want to scan based on the Ichimoku. So you go to just select the Ichimoku patterns, and you can see price moves above the cloud. So on daily frame, I want to get the stocks based on the daily frame, or you want to get the based on the weekly or something monthly. You just click on here. If the data is available, it will be printing here. And let me get okay. And cloud turns from red to green. That means yesterday it was a red, and now today it is changed to the green. So these patterns are all, and you can for each pattern you can read the what is it tells in the tooltip. You can see the uptrend is strengthened when the leading span A is green. So you can read the what it does is, and even you can read it from here. Actually, what this scan, it is like a, I just given a like a small information about it. So you can for each and every pattern we'll be having here. So and even you can click on D for daily, W for weekly, M for monthly. So you can click on any, like if you are just clicking default, so for some of the scans it will take daily, for some of the scans it will take weekly. So based on the which
Mummy, a water bottle.
which indicator you want to scans the patterns, so you can scan those. And by default these indicators are default parameters. These are not customized parameters, so these are default parameters. So these patterns are performed by default parameters. Okay. And there are apart from the indicators, so I just want to see the basic candlestick patterns. Like we have seen there are so many strategies based on the candlestick patterns, and even I have implemented some patterns like some strategies based on the candlestick. So if you want to go to candlestick, you just go to either bullish candlestick patterns or bearish. You just select whatever the patterns you want to, and go here. I want to get the bullish engulfing, just click here. So you will get, so what it by default, why this is 63, it means it gets from the total NSC, not just from the your NSC like Nifty 50 or Nifty 100 or future 100. It gets from the total from NSC side. So it is almost some 1700 stocks. Out of 1700 stocks it is listed, and there is a even you can control how to see the results just for Nifty 50 also. We will be seeing that. So how to, and here, so once you click here, suppose I want to copy all the stocks and I want to paste it over the Twitter or somewhere. So there is a clipboard to copy is there, you just click it. So automatically what it is, it copies all the names, and you can paste it anywhere you want to write it in the Excel, whatever. So it will be pasting into the clipboard. Okay. And the next thing is, I want to download this list and I want to do perform something. So I can just click on this download. So whatever the list is there for this, so this is the bullish engulfing list for today. So it is downloaded your list. And out of from the 63, I just want to see only Nifty 50 stocks. I don't want to see all the other stocks. And go to the filter and you say select the what you want. I just want to Nifty 50. So you can see only Nifty 50 stocks here. And even I don't want to see the penny stocks, that means less than 50. So just give
सुंदर वाले का
500.
ऑर्डर किया टेस्ट करने के लिए.
Okay.
Can you mute
Yeah,
everyone?
please mute all.
मेरे लिए कुछ खाना ही नहीं बनाया तुमने यार. मैंने मंगाया तो था. मेरे को तो कुछ भी नहीं मिला. खा गए सर. हाँ.
Global, click mute all.
आज ये लोगों ने बहुत हार्ड कुछ खाना है, पनीर टिक्का टाइप.
Sudhakar, can you mute everyone?
Yes. Then. Okay. So so here you can get the list from the you can this is the filter which is available for this list. And you can apply like currently I have applied 500, I don't want 500. So only from 50 to 50,000 stocks only I want to get it, you will get it here. And suppose there is a, if you see the stocks, I want to based on the name, so you can do all those things. Like I want A to Z, and this is like just filter. And the only thing what I want to highlight here is the score and 52 weeks percentage. Okay. And what is this 52 weeks percentage is, so if you see in each row you'll be seeing change percentage from 52 weeks low. So what it means is the stock is performed 115 percentage from its 52-week low. That means it has given 115 percentage from the its 52 weeks low. So it is a momentum stock and it has given better results. So I want to see only the results which has given pretty much good. So I can just go here and click from the descending sort. and you can see, right, this is the Dynapro, and you may have traded or some. You can see it is a at least given 237 percentage from its 52 week low, and the current 52 week high is 283, and the current close price is 269. So it is pretty much close, this, like it is a near, it is trading at the nearest range. So this is the one. And the other thing is, suppose I want to track all these stocks, like I am a follower of a bullish engulfing pattern follower. So I want to see the so like suppose I want to see track all these stocks for 1 week or 2 weeks. So what will happen, whether these guys are like whether the stocks are increasing or decreasing. So you don't need to do manually, just go here and save as a watch list. So, and if you are signed in to the application, so what will happen is it will be adding all this list. You don't need to do manually, it will add all this list to your watch list. So what will happen is it will, once it you added, and you can see after 2 or 3 days, and you can see whether your bullish engulfing stocks are increased or not. So on that day, suppose if this is the Dynapro, the current close price is 267. After 1 week, if this is increasing, that means your pattern is working fine, and you don't need to check the things. You can just directly go to your watch list and you can check it. So that is one thing here. So I want to conclude the scanners page here. There are like, there are pretty there are so many sections are available here, and most are like out of from here. And I want to tell 2 or 3 important, like there are so many things are important here, but for me, based on, I will just show. And support and resistance, you want to get stocks which are at a support range. So you can just click here and you will get a which stocks are nearing the support zone. And you want to see which stocks are like broke out the resistance, means upside breakout. And if you want to see the downside breakout, you can click here. And you want to see weekly, you can click the weekly. Or if you want to see monthly, you can click monthly. This is the one very good patterns. If you are price action lover, you can scan these two. And the another important feature is, you no need to do like even if you want to track these stocks and you don't have time, what you do is just go and just filter it out, like favorite it out. So what will happen is, whenever this pattern is matched for any stocks, so okay, whenever any stock is matched for this stock, immediately on the day evening, from 7:30 to 8 or 8:30, like within this time, you will get an email with these results. Okay, so with these results, you will get an email to you. You don't need to like check whether the NRB pattern are appeared or not. So you don't need to do. So suppose I want to check like what are the examples, I will just show you. So I have favorited the narrow range plus IB, and I don't need to come here and check the scans daily. So what will happen is, at at 8 p.m. I got the results. Whatever the results, like whatever the stocks, it is matched, and I got the results with the thing. What is the EOD price and these things. And even if you required any further information, like in this email itself, you can tell me what is the information you want to come here along with these patterns. Like in the end of the session, you can suggest me what are the other details you want to get it from this email. So, and that, so with that, we no need to track all those things manually. It will come by default when you are doing favorite. So, and if you want to do scans manually, even that is also possible. There is no problem at all. Yes.
Sudhakar, sorry to interrupt. Just explain once again how to favorite it
Yeah. Okay.
after
Okay.
finding the pattern
Yes.
and how to register to get an email. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is pretty simple. First thing is, you just sign up using your email ID, and just give mobile ID, mobile number. So email ID is important to receive your emails daily. So give a valid email ID, and don't give something wrong. So you'll not even valid OTP will be validated, and that is just to ensure that the mails are sending to the right person. Okay. Okay, and the next, like once you signed in, and go to login screen, and okay, here, you can see the, like, the, what is the, your username and password. So you just enter the password. Okay, and the next, like once you signed in, and go to login screen, and okay, here, you can see the, like, you just log in using whatever the credentials you are created. You just log in. I'm just logging with my credential. Okay, so and here you can see here in the top we will not see the scans. So you just come here in the left side, you can see the same thing but with the different name inside. This is a patterns, but you will see the same, nothing different. So and suppose I am fan of this horizontal support, like the stocks which are closing near the support, or the stocks which are breaking like resistance breakout. I want to see which stocks are resistance breakout, and I can click on here. And so here very simple, you just click on favorite, that's all. So if you click it, you will get to see, you will get a successfully updated your favorites. Okay, so once you get it, that's all, you don't need to do anything. And in the top you can see in the top you can see what are your favorite patterns, and I will be showing that. Okay, so the okay, and you got it right. So if you want to favorite anything, either you can do it from here, or from here I want to favorite this pattern, I can
Got
just,
it, got it.
yeah, I can just click here. So that's all, there is nothing difficult. If you want to you don't want to, you want to remove from the list, here you will be seeing my favorites, and from there you just click it and it will be removing from the favorites again, like it will be removed from your favorites. Okay, and there is a very good pattern which is suggested by Dinesh Bhai, and that is relative strength patterns. And each pattern, like here each section has its own validity, like based on the indicator or based on the scans. But I think all of you know the indicators, what is ADX and what is CCI, what is CMO. So and I will just explain what is the other thing, like relative strength. Stocks outperforming the Nifty index. So what it means is these stocks are given performance greater than the Nifty in last 52 weeks. So and you can see there are around 700 stocks from the 1700, and by default these stocks are sorted based on the which is pretty much close to the 52 weeks high. That means, so if you see this Advent enzymes, this close price is 273 and its 52 week high is 273. So whichever is closer to the 52 weeks high, it is sorted based on that results. But suppose you want to sort these results based on the performance, like what is the, like this stock is given 178 percentage from its 52 week low, and you want to see stocks based on this percentage. Already as explained, you can just go here and you can click this. So this is the right side is for descending. So let me just tell you, the first one is ascending, that means it will print from the lowest to highest. The second is highest to low, and you can do it from all like either volume or 52 weeks low price, and you can do any sort. And so this is the thing. And the now thing is I want to see the chart whether actually it is how the structure is. So you know, just click here, so it will bring you the view of a chart, how it is. So and let me close this. Okay, I think this chart is not good. Let me click on Adani Green. So if you see here, so this stock is currently closing price is 617, and it is the highest price is 697. And you can see in the right side what is the like you can see what it is. So based on seeing this, and you can get some information, like instead of just seeing the data, and even you can see the chart. And here if you want to go to the weekly and monthly, you can go. I will explain about this chart in the stock info page, where you will see in the with the full page layout, so that you will see the better chart instead of like this page is just for the to see like how what is the price action on the chart in the same view, instead of going again with the some other site. And I'm just giving so you can click on here, And the thing is, only when you are clicking first time only it will be loaded, and after that it will be faster. It will not take time, it will be just loading within just seconds, not even second, it will be just loading. So don't think about the performance. It will be, if your internet is very slow, this site will be slow just because of your internet. Okay, and I'll just closing this site, we'll be seeing it. So I think I hope I have covered what is the things, right? And the best thing other I want to tell you is, I want to see what sector is in good shape, like what sector is performing. So go to sector by index, just click on index. Okay, so you will see what is the sector and what is the score, how it is performing today. So the Nifty IT is it has given 72% from its low, and it has a score 5, and this down arrow means yesterday it was a good score, but today it is reduced. So that is this one. And if it is an up arrow, it will, the score is improved today, and I will talk about the score also. So no need to think. And you can see what is the, how the sectors are like. And if you want to see which sector has performed good things, and the same thing, you can just click on. So Nifty Pharma has given 81 percentage in the recent from the low, and after that Nifty IT is given good one. And now you want to see for each index which stocks are performing good. You just click on Nifty 50 and you can select what are the stocks are in good. Don't want to select all the Nifty 50 stocks. I just want to select like a good performance from the Nifty 50. You just select Nifty 50 and you can see all the things. And after that, you either you can go with the score, or you can go with the this 52 weeks low percentage. Anything you can go with the either one. So you can select it, and you can select any of the either future stocks or these other things also. But I want to see in which sector which stocks are booming. So I want to see in Nifty Energy which stocks are booming, just select it. So if you see in Nifty Energy, there are 10 stocks are there. Out of 10, I think Reliance is in still in green mode. So the other stocks, if you see, the scores are minus. So here the score is less than 0. It is not a candidate for buy at all, at least for positional. I'm not talking about the intraday. So it is not a good candidate about the positional, unless if you see any reversal pattern. But generally, as per my site convention, if that value is 0, that is not in a position to buy at the correct time. At least if the value is greater than 0, okay, you can go ahead and you can look for some pattern and you can buy it. So and so you can see in each sector which stocks are like which stocks are booming here. And in the Nifty Auto, Hero MotoCorp is I think it gains a good one. And you can select like in each sector you can see what are the stocks. And based on this percentage, select some stocks and trade only in those. You don't need to trade all the stocks, like there are Exide. I think if you see what is the performance, it is given 24 percentage, where the other stocks are giving 100. So which you you want to trade. If it is a, it is better to trade in this type of stocks, not in the which is not moving or not giving a good results from the 52 weeks low. So that's the scans sectors. And I think the others are like charting patterns are there. Suppose you want to go with the double bottom or double, like I want to see the double bottom in the last candle for only day. So just ignore about the indexes. I want to see the Alchem. So just select here and just selected Alchem, whether I want to see whether this is a double bottom or not. You can check it in the chart in the right side. Okay, so this is here. If you see, these two are double bottom. If I want to see, I can just say supports. Okay, so here if you see, this is a, this both are touched, but it is a within less period. That is up to you. You want to consider this as a double bottom with the less period. But basically the double bottom will be finding all the bottoms, whether it is a shorter one or a longer one. So you can find any things over there. So, and same wise, you will have a double top, so you can find it double top here. And you want to see stocks which are based on the trend line and higher high, so you can just click on these patterns, so you will get it. And you want to filter out further, you want to reduce the stocks, you can select using the Nifty. So that's all from the here. The best part from here is if there are some traders where they want to have a combination, that means I will just show you. So, and so for that one, just go to advanced. So here you can see the advanced, just go to advanced here. And so when you come here, first by default there will not be nothing here, it says no pattern selected, nothing. Let me explain. So what it is advanced is, so I'll just show you. By default for everyone, these three patterns will be available. Okay, these three, the whatever the tops is, I have created for my own. So if you have created, you will get it here. But for everyone, these three patterns will be you will be getting. So I want to see the stocks for narrow range pattern, just select that. So you don't need to do anything, just I'm just selecting, went to the patterns and selected this one. So what happens is, if you see here, what I have done is, so here in the left side, each scan is a individual scan, and we are combining together here. Okay, so I want to get the results of narrow range and insider bar for only feature stocks. Okay, so here it is a combination, not the individual, it is a combination means these three has to be included, not like if it is a narrow range, or this is not our condition, it is a and. So that means it must validate for narrow range, and it is must form the insider, and it should be from the future stocks. So, and you can see there are 6 stocks are there. And either you can save, now you can see, I will save as a watch list. So I just clicked on a watch list, and now you will see what will happen. Okay, go to your watch list here. I want to watch list. Okay, so if you see, yeah, here you will see narrow range plus, like this is I just added, and these are the stocks I have added today, I have added, and what is the price. And for today it will not be helpful for you what it means, but if you see 2-3 days after, like whatever the pattern you have added, whether it is given breakout or breakdown, so it will be helpful in that situation, like to just to see the price behavior after 2 days, 1 day, or 3 days, or 1 week, something like that. So you can see those things here. And either you can download your whatever the stocks performance and whatever, you can download everything. And you want to do manually, so you want to do manual, you can just come here and create your own watch list and add your own stock. I want to add some stocks here, and you can add your own stocks. It's just like I want to add Aarti Industry, and just add it. So it will, when you're just selecting it, it will be adding that one to here. So you can do either manually, or you can do same thing using the our scanner also. So what is just advantage is, if you want, we can see the scanner results for positionally, like whether the pattern is performing or not, whether these are increasing or not. So these things we can see using just watch list. Okay, and let me go back. Okay, let me go back.
Sudhakar, there is one question by Mr. Pai. He wants to know if we can scan stocks which are according to Fibonacci.
Currently we don't have that Fibonacci indicator patterns, but if that is helpful for everyone, we can add it.
I'll share your number with Mr. Pai. He will
Yeah.
write to you basically
Yeah, okay.
what he wants. So you
Okay.
can create the scanner accordingly.
Yeah, okay. So, and if the pattern is, if the scanner is available, like helpful for everyone, definitely we'll write it. If the scanner is very customized, only it is helpful for 1 or 2 persons, I think spending time in that pattern is, I don't think it is helpful. So mostly we will not consider that type of scanners, but if it is helpful, really helpful for everyone, definitely we'll be adding those things into the our scanners.
The Fibonacci scanner is good. You should, I think, add that. And
Yeah,
there are few questions also on group chat. You can check that.
yeah,
There is a
okay,
question from Mohit. Just
yeah,
you can, if you can take those questions one by one.
yeah, yeah, sure, sure, we will take it. Okay, so and we were in the patterns and advanced mode. So okay, so go to, so see, you have seen, right? I have favorited this pattern, so you will see my favorites here. If you don't want, you just click here, it will go away, so you will not get emails again. It will not annoying you. If you are feel, you just click here, so it will be from, it will go from the your favorites. Okay, and go to advanced. So I want to give an example for the narrow range. So here you can see the narrow range results, right? But I don't want to narrow range. I want to found a dragonfly doji, on a weekly basis. So okay, just go here, select the pattern and just type it here, dragonfly doji. So you can click on weekly. So I now I have I have, I want to get the dragonfly doji weekly and feature stocks. And if you want to mix, another thing is the price which is closer than yesterday, price. Okay, yeah, if you see price above the previous close on daily, so just apply it and you can get the results. So this is the, here the thing is, you can mix your own patterns, your own indicators with the and condition, and you will get the final results. Suppose I want to see a breakout stocks. Okay, breakout with the volume. Okay, this is a predefined scanner which I have created. Okay, so I just selected this one and see, this Danchan channel is actually refers for a breakout. So what it actually means is, it takes the 20 days high. Whenever that 20 days high is broken, okay, so that is a breakout. And I want to see the volume which is greater than 300 percentage. I don't want to see all the breakouts. I want to see the volume based on the 300 percentage. You can select it. And the day, it has to be strength candle. So the strength candle means the body should be greater than the wicks. So that is the thing. These all patterns you can see, you can get it from here. This, like whatever the things here I want to see, right? So from here you can get it, and you just add it to your list. Okay, and suppose I don't want to, I don't like these patterns, I want to delete it, you just delete it. And suppose if you are new to here, you want to create new one. So okay, and so here this search is a global search. Instead of going here and clicking these things directly, you can click here, and I want to find the dragonfly doji. So I'm just selecting here, and I want to see the volume which is greater than the suppose volume. I want to see volume. uh, what is the volume? Okay, here I have a higher delivery quantity. So you can select either 150 percentage, means the star, like from the last 5 days average, today the average is more than 150 percentage of the last 5 days average. So I just want to see 300 percentage. And so I want to save this as a new pattern. So you can just here, for first time, you can go here and save as your own pattern. I want to see dragonfly doji and volume. Okay, dragon plus volume. Okay, save it. Okay, okay, this pattern is saved. And now you can see here your dragonfly doji with the volume. So from today, if you like, whenever a stock matches to your dragonfly doji on daily, if you want to change it to weekly also, you can change it. If you want to change it to monthly also, you can change it. So whatever you want to see, I want to go for a weekly instead of daily, just select it, and already have created the this pattern, so just save it, so it will be updated with this one. And so whenever for this just click it, so there is nothing matches for these two conditions here, either you remove one and you will get it. So here the it is like a playground, you can combine any number of patterns. The only thing you need to understand is it is a unconditioned, not a single one. If it is a matches only a doji, it will not get it. It has to match all the conditions, for whatever you are adding here, right? So I want to get only ADX strength is strong, but doji is formed. So you can see there are 22 stocks for these two combination, and I want to get it only for Nifty 50. So here you can just select Nifty 50 and apply it. So you will get only for Nifty 50. I get nothing, so just go for another some Nifty 500 stocks. I'm just selecting it. Okay, for Nifty 500 I'm getting 5 stocks. The others from the out of 500 we are getting. So you can, this is like a combination. Currently if you take our scanners, if you go to see this, these are 267 patterns are available. From using advanced, you can create 267 into 267, so you can create those many combinations here. You can perform whatever the scanner you want to do, you can do it, but only daily, weekly, monthly. Currently there is no hourly scanner or intraday level scanners are not there, but we are thinking to provide that scanner, but currently it's not available. Okay, and so I think that's all. Either you can create it from the advanced, like if you want a combination, you can go for advanced and create it. And you want to just see the simple pattern, I don't want to combine two or three, I just want to see the results for only one patterns. And so you can see that. And you can, if you are seeing any crossovers, and there are so many crossover patterns already available, close crossing the 20 MA from below, and 20 crossing the 50, 20 crossing the 100, 20 crossing the 200. So what are the patterns, it is there, right? It is already available. And so these things you can explore about all the patterns. And if you have, anyone has any doubt regarding these patterns and how it will work, and you can you get your questions in the Telegram group, we'll be answering all the questions. So with this, I hope I have given the a good explanation. And the final last, the final, so here you can download the list of stocks for today. Like there are all stocks are there, I want to see each stock what are the patterns performed. You can just click it, so you will get a list and open it. So what will happen is it has each and every stock with the patterns, like what is the daily patterns it has formed. And if you want to just like, already we have provided the scanner, but I think already, so instead of coming here again and you filter out for only doji and trade taking the stocks, that is useless. But just for your reference we have given, but this will be advanced from tomorrow with the. So, and if you let me just show you again. So here the download button is there. So what actually this button is for, do download the scan results. And what this button is for is, so, and I want to see the top performers of the Nifty based on these conditions. You can see I want to get the full list, means you will get all the stocks from the Nifty, all the stocks, yeah, and with the each and what are the patterns it has performed, and with this information. And apart from that, you will get the other data. So, and each stock is what is the 52 week, like what is the percentage it is gained from 52 weeks low, and what is the current distance from 52 week high in the percentage. So that means you will get the top performers from the all NSE site. Okay, from all NSE site you will get what are the stocks are performing for last 1 year, like 52 weeks means 1 year. So you will get all the information with this Excel sheet itself. Okay, and with this Excel, what I want to tell you is, so if you are selecting full list, it will be downloading all. But if you are selecting top list, so what will happen is it will just give you the top 100. So what it means is, out of the 1600 stocks, it has done, let me tell you, out of the 1600 stocks, first it will remove the less than 50 rupee stocks, and it will be get the stocks which are high performers, which is the high performers, and from the high performers it will get the 100 stocks only. Okay, so it will not give you the whole stocks. And so based on your selection, you can do your own analysis. And if you want to do min price is 50 or 500, whatever it is, so this, like, once you click on this download button, this dialog will appear, and you will download, you will be getting this Excel sheet. From the Excel sheet, you do whatever the analysis you want to do, based on this, either this 52 weeks from low percentage, or so, or see, if you see the stocks, this stock is 0%, means it is at the 52 weeks high. The 52 weeks high is 286 and current close is 286. That's why this distance is 0, and this has given more than 372 percentage from its 52 week low. So that means you will get only top, if you see top 100, each stock has given at least 100 to 200 percentage from its 52 week low. So this idea is given by Dinesh Bhai, so I just implemented. I think we need to thanks to Dinesh Bhai for this scanner, like for this idea. Okay, so with this, the scan page, everything is, we are done, we have covered. So if you have any questions, I can answer, or we can go to the next important page for in our site. So I'm just going for the next page, so which is a stock info. Okay, so here what it is I want to see what actually the stock, what, whether it's a trending or not, whether it's a buying zone, whether it's a selling zone. I want to get the entire information with a single place. I don't want to see all the like all the side, whether it's a bullish or bearish, what is the scores. And so if you want to get any stock information in one place, that is the one we want to. Okay, from scan results also, we have given a link, scan info page. You just click here and we'll be getting this page. So here, if you see this, and by default, this is okay, this neutral is whether it's a buy or a sell, or strong buy or strong sell. So currently this is just, it's referring, it is a neutral, either it's not suggesting you to buy or sell, based on just other indicators I will explain in the last. So this core already I have explained. If it is a less than 0, definitely don't buy it. If it is a uh, greater than 0, it is worth to look for add to watch list, and you can look for the further analysis. And suppose I want to see, this is just a Google search with the, I want to see some full information, like with the Google one, you can just click on the news. So it is not from my side. And here the most thing important thing is, you can, here from this page also you can see what is the percentage it has given from its 52 week low. So this stock has given 240 percentage from its 52 week low. And you can just see here, right, the 52 week low is 63 and high is 240. But the current close is, if you see the current close, that is 217. So if you see from 63 to 217, it has given this much percentage. And by default it will give you the support and resistance based on the pivots. And okay, so this is, we will be seeing what is there. So here, this is like a overall percentage, you will get it from anywhere, the change percentage, all those things. The only important point I want to mention here is the, here what is the percentage it has given in last 52 weeks, and you can get it, this information here. Okay, and if you come here, this is my favorite place. So anybody will be looking for the charts. Okay, and this chart is fully like, when I was new to trading, I don't know how to draw, like how to draw the support lines correctly. Usually somebody will tell the bottom lower wick, or somebody will tell to the just close or open. So I was very confused, and even I was looking for any automatic, like I want to see the support lines here automatically. Now I don't want to draw, and those systems are not for free, at least. Okay, or they have some limitations. So what I was done is I have investigated some at least for some days to months, and I did it my own. So for any stocks, you just go here, swing points. Okay. So if you want to see support, and I just want to see supports, just click here. You can see these are the just based on the price action. What is the recent higher high, higher low? Based on these points, you can see the support and resistance. Okay, and I want to see some any good. Let me go to the Zeal or somebody. Okay, and let me select. Okay, so and here I want to see the support and resistance. I just selected support, draw three supports. So from it is swing high, it is taking support, and all supports need not to be respected, but you can see the major support, it is from here. And if you want to see all the supports, you can just select this. So by if you are selecting all those things, it will be very clutter, so I don't want to see all those things. So just select only three supports, so that it will give you what is the nearest support here. And if you see any nearest support, and if there is any reversal pattern, just take your own action. I am not suggesting any buy or sell here, but the only point I want to mention here is it will give you an idea where the like whether you are in a support area or in a resistance area, you can see it. And if you want to see price action structure, higher high, higher low, just go on, just show higher high, higher low. And here when I'm zooming in, these labels are just missing out. So if you want to see in some charts, if you want to see, just uh, like mouse down, so that you will see the price action, and what is the whether it is a higher high or so. If you see, it is formed the lower low, and it will be marked, but still it is not marked. Okay, and let me just select. Okay, so and the next thing is just I will clear it off. Okay, I want to see the resistance, just go here and just select three resistance. And if you see, so anybody like who are like who already have good knowledge, they can easily draw the lines. But when I'm new, people will not think they have to draw from here, and they want to draw from like this area. So you no need to remember all those things, just come here and just click on this resistance. So automatically, and you can see, so these red lines will be, prices will be highlighted here. So this is first like the first resistance, second resistance, third resistance. And you want to see both with a single click, just click here. So it will perform resistance, and both are in the same. So you want to clear it off, just clear it off. And next thing is, I want to so like most of we do the based on the candle. So I want to highlight which are dragonfly doji or hammers. So these patterns will be like, these scanners will be improved. I will be adding more and more here. So I want to see the dragonfly doji. Okay, uh, so if you see here, whenever I'm clicking dragonfly doji and this arrow is appears, so this candle are form the dragonfly doji. And why it is helpful is, you can see the back history whenever a dragonfly doji is formed, whether the price is respecting reversal or not, you can check it. So why it is important is, all stocks may not be respecting that pattern. So you can identify whether this particular stock is respecting or not with a single like at least 1 or 2 minutes. You can just get it. So that if I want to see the only anything doji or these are the dojis it has formed, and you want to respect, you can check it. And you want to see hammers, so here one hammer and here another hammer. So you can with your eyes you can see, and you can interpret whether the stock is respecting or not. These things you can do. So with this, like, you can try for other things. And I don't want. Okay, and if you are lover of bar chart, go to your bar chart. With the bar chart, the support and resistance will be pretty much good to see. And if you see, right, it is pretty much good to see here. So this is bar chart. Either you can go for lines, or you can go for area charts. You can whatever the chart you like. So mostly I like the candlestick chart. Okay, let me keep it. Okay, so now I want to see how the stock is performing in a weekly. So just go to select weekly, and by default this supports came from the daily range, so I'll just clear it off as using just show draw from the I just gone here and draw supports. So now you can see these are the supports from the weekly. So you can see the weekly support is here at 135, and the next support is at 113. So you can draw it on these things, and you want to see price action structure, so you can just see here. So it is formed, and I think again you can see what is the price action structure. The only thing is when it is in zoom mode, it is not now we are not able to see that, and when we are just zoom out, you can see that. So if you are facing anything, you can just zoom out and see. That's something. So, and I want to analyze based on the monthly, go to monthly chart, and just same thing, draw your supports. And this month, like it is from here, it is taking the support for monthly, and it is from the August 2010. If you see, this is from the August 2010. From it is taking the support, so you can see the what is the uh, structure. And same thing you can apply for even in the monthly or weekly. You can just look for a hammer candle or whatever the candles you want to do. You can do all those things here, same thing. And the only thing, and you want to save this image and you want to share it to someone, you can save it. And just dark one, if you are working with the nights, and you can just try with this modes here. Okay, with this chart, I think so I will go to the light. And with, so what is the highlighted feature is, you can draw your supports and resistance, and you can see your higher low, higher high, uh, in the single thing. And you can train your eyes with the what are the patterns, currently I have added only here, but there will be all the candlestick patterns will be in the list here coming soon. So we'll be adding all the things here. That is one thing. And if you come down, so for this stock, I want to see what are the patterns it has performed for today, and always look for the date. So today date, it is showing 24. So there, that means today it has performed all the stocks. So it is greater than Nifty index, like it is performing greater than Nifty index, and it is formed a inverted hammer. So you want to see in the charts, you can just go and you can check the charts, daily charts. Okay, see, it is formed the inverted hammer here in the daily. And okay, and it is a bullish pairing also, and this close is greater than previous close. And you can look for like this stock what has, and it is gap down also. So it has gap down, and it is increase, it is closed above. And you can see what are the patterns, like if the patterns it has found for today and this week and this month, you will see all the things here for this stock alone. Okay, so with a single place, you want to see what are the patterns found for this stock, you can see here. And it is formed almost 51 patterns, and out of it you can see what are the bullishing patterns. So if you want to go any long, and you can just check it, this what are the patterns it formed today, and based on that you can take your own decision. Here it will be like either technical patterns or in candlestick patterns. And even it is saying it is at nearest support. So, and these things you can see. And the next thing I want to show is on what is the performance it has done. And that's okay, you can get it from anywhere, that is not important. And so what is the moving averages it suggests you, whether it's a buy or a sell. So if you take the 10, it is the current price is less than the this 10 moving average 10, and it is saying it is bearish, it is not suggesting to buy. And what is telling 20, and it is also telling bearish. So you can see what is moving averages tells. And the right side you can see what are the other indicators, like what is MACD suggesting it is a bullish, and what is stochastic, and what is Williamson, and what is RSI, and what is Bollinger Band. And so what are the indicators, and what is the signals here, you can see everything in one place. And you want to see the support and resistance based on the pivots, you can go for here. And you want to see the support and resistance based on the swings here, and you can check it here, like what is the nearest support here, and what is the volume at that in this price range. So, and you can just check it here. And there is another which is very important, but I did not highlight that. So that is support zones. This zone is nothing but I will just explain. It's saying 175 on 7 points, and the volume is this much. So what it means is the stock has connected 7 points at like at 175 range. Thus, either stock has closed at 175 or it has closed. It has opened at 175 for 7 times, like from the 1 year. So that like whenever it is just going to the chart so that it will be helpful. So if you see this 175 where is okay, if I'm drawing a line here, I cannot like currently there is no adding a trend lines, that much no feature is not available. It is not a full page charts, only I'm trying to automate everything. Even the trend line also will be automatically drawn, so that is in implementation. So yeah, if I see the 175 range here, so what happens is 175, let me go here. Yeah, so here in this range the price has 7 points connected. That means in a year it has connected 7 points in that range, and the volume is this much. And if there is a yeah, if it is a higher number of points connected, that will also act as a good support or a good resistance. So maybe if someone want to check it based on those connecting points concept, you can just look for this one. And same thing, resistance also same thing. So this is the stock info page. So you will get the score, and the score refers less than 0, it's not good for buy, and it's in a rising selling momentum, and greater than 0 it is in coming for a just buy zone. And so this is neutral. And if you want to see some buy refer stocks, okay, you can select, you can search for any stock here using the codes only. I want to see the Dynapro here. So see, so this is the stock, it is giving the strong buy, and the score is 25, and it is increasing also. So why it is a strong buy, and why it is there is nothing hidden here, it is very simple. So what is the strong buy means? So whenever stocks has a CCI greater than 100, and EMI 5 is greater than 50, and 5 is greater than 20, some combination. So if it matches all the conditions, then it is a strong buy. And score, and the score is very simple. So what it will happen is for if the daily it is increasing means the score will be 1. If it is a increasing in a week, so it will be score will be 3. And if it is increasing per month, the score will be 5. So the combination it will be like 8, and reversal also same. And if the moving average is increasing for a daily, it will be 1 and something. So it will, based on all the calculations, it will be like around 5 or 6 categories. It will be, so it will match all the things, and it will finally generate the score. So this is the generated score, and you can uh, definitely, if it is greater than 0, it is a good. So that is the this stock info page. And let me go to the PPT. Okay. Okay, and the next thing is whoever trading, so usually either they can maintain a journal. Usually like if some, whatever the successful people, what they tell is you trade your like journal your trades, journal your mistakes, journal like log your ideas, log your mistakes, so that. So I have given a feature, at least personally it is very helpful for me. So there is a journal feature is there. So you can click here and log your either mistake or log your idea, either log your whatever the thing you want to log it, and store it. And you can see that in the future, and just go back and check it whether what you have done mistake or whether what you have done in the good one, and what could you have done. So you can do write it your own things, so that either you can write your idea, you can write your mistake, you write your observation, you write your thoughts. So what is my idea here is, I want to keep it all things which are for trading in one place. I don't want to, for dairy I want to go to the book, for charts I want to go to another site, for scanner I want to use I don't want to use that. So I want to find a one solution, at least it works for me. So, and if their own, like whatever they can log their area, they can write their mistake. At least they will not do the same mistake. If they have written one or two times, they will not write it, do it again in the second time or third time. So that is the idea. So this is the feature where you can write your own diary. And finally you want to like suppose you want to log out, like go out from the stock alerts, you just download your all your written things and you delete everything and go away. So nothing, it is nothing will be so there is nothing hidden. You can delete your own data and go away. So there is no problem at all. So that is the trading, so the diary feature. And if you come again, and portfolio management with the exit rules. So what it means is, it is also like it is helpful for only the positional players, not for the intraday. Only for long term or a swing traders it will be helpful. So for them only it is helpful. And here also you can create your own portfolio, and you can create a number of portfolios. Each person may have a either short term portfolio, main portfolio, for swing trading, for swing portfolio, whatever it is there. So and the here what is actually what is the use of this one? So and people usually says ride your winners and uh, cut your losses. So I want to ride my stocks until it matches any my SL condition. Okay, I want to ride my stock until it matches to the my SL condition, and I have some set of rules when I want to exit. So what will happen is, so I have added only Axis Bank, like LIC and PO these stocks at this price. And what happened is I want to uh, write like this Axis Bank, if it is in rising, I want to exit the stock only when it is crossed below the 50 days moving average or 20 days moving average. Until that I will be riding this stock. So in that situation, what I want to do is, you can write your own rule. But suppose some traders, they what they want is, they want to see the like they want to go to the portfolio until when it breaks below the weekly candle. So at that time they can set on the rules. So the first step is create your own portfolio. So just go here and create whatever the name you want to give. Just give it and click OK. So your portfolio will be created. And add your any stocks. So you can add any stocks here. Okay, you just give any stocks here, whatever the stock you want to give, and quantity and price. So you added, right? So once you're done, what is the advantage is, so you just set the rules. This is the important step. So go to edit rules. So here you can see these are the my rules. So when I want to exit, whenever a Bollinger Band, like a Bollinger Band lower risk class, or even if you want to, if you are a Ichimoku trader, and you can do using Ichimoku also. So go to, okay, just maximize it. I want to Ichimoku. Okay. Okay. So if you see, okay, Ichimoku, whenever price moves below the cloud, I want to exit. You can add it on daily, and you can save this. So what will happen is, whenever a condition matches any of these one, like either if the price is closed from the 52 weeks, if it breaks 52 weeks, like 50 SMA from top, or if it breaks the Bollinger Band, or if it breaks the Donchian channel, or if price breaks the uh, this cloud, or even that weekly also. So I can add it, uh, price. Even you want to make lower low, suppose. So whenever price making a lower low, I want to exit. So just add a pattern. So and save your stocks. So what will happen is, for all the stocks, whenever any of the pattern, like any of the rule match, like if it is matched, if it is a form lower low, you will get an email. Okay, you will get an email. Let me just show you. Okay, so
सर किसी का माइक ऑन है, प्लीज म्यूट करवाओ ना.
okay, okay. So what will happen is you can see I have a PVR in my like in my portfolio and SBI in my portfolio, and it has sent an email to me saying, yeah, your stock is this pattern has performed, and so you want to exit, you just exit. So this is like if it is in a good higher trend, like suppose if it is forming a good one, you will get it, this message like email only when it is a reversal only. But currently the market is in reversal, so immediately I got a email. So these emails also you will be getting only at the end of the day, you will not get in the middle of the day. So even if it is performing in the middle of the day, so currently you will not get it at middle of the day, only at end of the day only you will get an email for this also. So so this portfolio rules is only one thing. You add any stocks here and just tell when you want to exit from these things. And how it is helpful is, I want to write a example. I'll just go to Axis Bank and CDSL. Okay, suppose I have selected a CDSL and CDSL. If you see the chart and weekly, so it is pretty much, if you see the weekly chart, it is pretty much good. And this almost the stock is never it is not crossed the low, a previous week low. Suppose this is my rule, so what I can do, I can just go to my portfolio and I can set it as a my rule as whenever stock closes below the previous week low, I want to exit. Just until that, you will not get that email. Whenever that happens, you will get an email. So with that one, you don't need to look for whether my stock is performing or not, whether it is in so you can set your own rules and you can just wait for that. So that is the exit rules. So if you are not setting any exit rules, we will the system does not give you any exit rules, you have to set it manually. So you can set your own exit rules either on daily or monthly or weekly. Anything you can set it based on your own criteria. You can set any rule from all available patterns. We have 267 patterns, right? All patterns you can set it. So these rules, these patterns can be used in these rules also. So with that, okay. And stock alerts, so I just want to give, I will give just a small overview only. It will not, I will not go into the depth here because it was okay. I just want to go to alerts. So what these alerts are is, currently these are algo alerts, and based on one or two strategies here, and for intraday and positional are there. And I'll just go for only positional because I like much positional. Okay, so if you see the positional alert, and it is based on the bullish Harami pattern, and there is a strategy based on the bullish Harami. And it has given today morning at 9:50 in my telegram channel. I think whoever are there in the telegram channel, they might get it. Apollo Hospital. Okay, so this is the patterns, positional alerts. And the only best thing here is, you can back test these positional alerts. You can back test your positional alerts. Just go here, there is a back test. Okay, and you can select the date from when you want to back test. And you can select some whatever the date, like either for 1 year or for 6 months, you can select the date and you can select the strategy. So the swing low is it is a pullback strategy, and narrow range and NR inside war strategy. So for any strategy, you can select what is like for Nifty 50 and what is the performance, what is for Nifty 500, and you can select it and you can run your back test so that you will get the results. Suppose if it is taking more time, you will get an email with your results. Okay, so you don't need to don't be there for so much time. If you are giving 1 year or 2 years, it will not get the results immediately within 1 or 2 minutes. It has to run all the stocks for 1 year, so it will takes time. So what I have provided is you will get a backtest results with an Excel sheet. So you can download it and you can check it. What is the it has given, how many trades it has given, and what is the successful or failure. You can backtest your these patterns. So that is for these things. And you want to see what are the strategies I am following, so just go to here tutorials, and these strategies are told by Dinesh Bhai only. So if you whoever attended Dinesh Bhai webinars in the earlier, they will understand easily these things. So here positional narrow range. So all the strategies, whatever the strategies I have added for pullback, or these strategies are like you have seen, right? Today it has coming with a bullish Harami strategy. So you can see what is the conditions it has to do. If you are doing manual, you can do all these things manually, and you can try the same thing with your own things here. So you can, this is an example. So you don't need to there is nothing hidden from you. Just go here and read the strategy, what it is, understand it, and if you want to do back test in other site also, you can do it. So that is this alerts page. So this backtest is covered, and the only two more things are there. Positional stocks. So what it means is I want to get all the stocks which are ready for positional. That means which are for ready for buy or a sell conditions. Okay, just go here and select the positional. Okay, if you see this, and out of the 1700 stocks, only this 77 are eligible for the current buy. And if you like by default, if you want to see from my side which are highest scorer stocks, just come into this scanner and you can check all the stocks which are performing good. And these are the like this page is by default started based on the score, and you can see JD's well and Dynapro, Apollo Hospitals, and whatever. So it you no need to do like this is like a ready-made list. You want to see get the list from here and just come here and go. And if you want to see selling side, click on sellers, and you can check the what are the selling stocks are there. Like it is in a downward momentum, and you can see the stock the scores are pretty much low, less than zero, like 20 minus 20 minus 30. These are definitely not for by from my side. If you want to see the chart, you just click here this info page. So again you'll select it here, and it is coming down from here. It is keep on coming down. Whenever it is taking a reversal, the scores will be improved automatically, and it will be like it will show the up sign. So this is the positional. So it is like a ready-made list. You want to see all the buy like which are momentum stocks, you can directly come here and you can look for. Okay, and the another thing is whoever attended so many webinars, everyone will say you want to follow the positional size calculator. So that is which is available in our site. So you just come here, there is a tools. You no need to log in from direct outside page also, this is available. uh, okay, so here you can do what is your initial amount, and what do you want to either how much risk percentage you want to mention for each trade. So and what is your positional, like what is your number of shares you want to buy. So for 1 lakh my capital, my risk is here is uh, my entry price is 200, my stop loss is 190. So there is 10 rupees of risk, so I can buy only 50 stocks for my 1 lakh. So this is my investment amount. And if you want to increase your percentage, so you can increase this one and you will get the positional size. So this is a ready-made calculator which is helpful if you are truly following the position size. And tutorial already I have told you, so that's all. So nothing more than that. And the only thing I want to mention last is bulk deals. Suppose if there are if you have seen if any stock has performed any bulk deal, you can see the bulk deals here itself. So for this mind pool, I think it's not a 22 rupees stock. Okay, you can see the bulk deals, but whoever want to track the deals, like how many if there isn't any bulk deal for that specific stock, they can check it out here. For others one, I think it's not that much important. Yeah, that's all covered. If you want to suggest any feature or anything, just come here and contact us. Same thing, it is just give your name and your email and write your message, or you can directly send your mail also to the given email, or you can directly come to the Telegram chat and you post your queries. So the only thing, if you are giving here, we'll get the track. If you are giving the Telegram, there are so many messages will be posted and we cannot track it over there. So that's the only reason I mostly ask people to post your any either feedback, or if you want to request any feature, you can click on this contact us page and give it here, or either you can directly, even you can write it to your own email and you can send it to either these two emails. So that's all
Thank you.
from
Thank you, Sudhakar bhai. It was excellent. I mean, too much of effort you put, and I can't even imagine doing and developing something this big. Hats off to your passion, and thank
and
you very much for sharing your valuable inputs with us.
yeah,
I
and
think
another thing
there is
is,
a sorry.
yeah, and I want to mention one point. In the 2018, I don't know anything related to the trading, and even I knew to the trading, and I just joined my first webinar with the Dinesh Bhai only. And at that time, I don't know nothing. But from that time, like only my motto is I don't want to depending on the other sites or others. So I don't know. I just want to build my own. That's the only my motto from that time. And I think I'm very happy and to see Dinesh Bhai and support. Thank you, Dinesh Bhai.
So guys, if you have any question, you can either email it to him, or you can even okay. Let me just take some questions. I think we have some questions in the chat, in the group chat.
Yeah, either you can click. You can just go to.
Just see these questions are there.
Okay. Okay.
Can be done for my watch list? That is what Mohit is asking.
Where uh, where I have to see this? I just want to.
There is a chat, see chat where participants are written. There is a chat box. Down.
Pardon.
Okay, I'll read out you.
Where is this, bro? Really?
There's a chat thing over there. Anyways, I'll read it out.
Okay.
Can scan be done for my watch list? This is the question.
Currently, no, but that feature will be implemented by based on if the people are requesting more. Will like if you think that is helpful for everyone, definitely will be added.
Okay. Then the other question is it possible to get stocks which has Chiku breakout from cloud?
Yeah, there are Ichimoku patterns are already available, and if the pattern is not available, and recently I have gone through the webinar
Chiku
from.
breakout from cloud, yeah.
Yeah. Recently, I have gone through the this webinar, and there are some patterns are missing here. I have understand those are in my list. So if you want to get those things, definitely I will add it that list here. So the answer is yes, you will get that scanner.
Okay. Okay. Then Mr. Pai has mentioned that it is very helpful. Can you scan for stocks intraday? Anisha
Uh,
Nair.
for intraday, only open high or open low is there, and if you want to see open low or open high stocks, you can perform this on intraday. But for other things are not there currently. And
Okay.
one other thing is, if it is a price closes above the yesterday, that scanner is available. For all others are end of the day analysis only.
Okay. Then can you suggest three simple charts for complete beginners based on TA simplicity? I mean, she needs three patterns, I guess.
Uh, Three patterns. You want to bullish and okay.
I mean, that depends person to person. What kind of
Yes.
pattern are you a trend follower or you are a reversal trader?
Correct.
Based on that, you will have to scan
Yeah.
and you find
You
out
can.
the result. Yeah. Okay. Hitesh Unadkar is asking, customize scan also add in favorite.
Customized scanner for like they want to customize the
And he wants
parameter.
to add that in favorite.
Uh,
Customize scan first
yeah,
and
they
then
can add it. Yes, yes, yes. Already told, right? If they can just come here, save as a pattern, so it will be favorite by default itself. So they just need to save it. So this
okay.
customized patterns also you can do
Hmm. Okay.
favorite. You can do correct.
Okay. Then Gaurav Dwivedi says it's wow. Great website, Vishal Sharma. Okay. Which are the patterns under Ichimoku patterns?
Uh,
So there are 8 scanners, I think, in Ichimoku.
yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So there are 8 is there, and even like I have gone through that webinar, and whatever the scanner they have suggested, like breakout from the Tenkan and Kujan out coming, those things will be added. So just need
You
some
also
time.
need, okay, you also need to add bottoms up over here on daily time frame.
Bottoms up, we need to add it, but it's difficult. We need to look for the RSI and
RSI scan also.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
correct. So yeah,
Let's
that
see
can
if
be
it's
done.
possible. Otherwise,
Yeah,
it's
it's
okay.
possible, but the effort is high. That's different.
Okay. Vishal Sharma is thanking you for making it possible. Mr. Pai is saying very nice scanner as explained. Trust results are also very good. We'll discuss about FIBO sometime later. So he will write to you. I've already shared your number to him.
Okay.
Okay. Nikita Kamath says in 2018 you were a complete beginner. Okay, Amit Desai, in 2 years from a novice to building such an amazing website is a great feat. Thank you, Sudhakar ji. Okay. From that day till today, the learning curve is phenomenal along with coding of all of this. Kindly suggest the part taken. So somebody wants to hear your journey. What did you do in 2 years? How did you from
Uh,
beginner to something right now? How did
Current,
you manage to do that?
currently, I am working professional in the development from almost some 8 years. So I know coding. My strength is coding, but in the last 2 years only I got the time to just look for this trading, and even only one of my friend is suggested, like he was doing it. By seeing him, I got attracted, and I started my journey with the trading. But I was not doing blunder mistakes, saying just taking the options on those things. Nothing. I never traded like that. So I just started with the small, and what happened is, initially I was looking for all the news channels, all Telegram things and those things. But I realized within 3 months that will not help out for my long-term career. My goal is I want to be an individual trader. I don't want to dependent on anyone and on any side. So I want to customize my own things. So I just started like that with this site. But when I was developing, I never imagined it will be helpful for all of us. But I just started with my own. Then only I integrated with this site and all those things. And I started attending the webinar. Like I attended only one webinar, that is Dimesh Bhai, and that is not paid one. And so he has given he has given it for free for some people, almost some 40 people who has cheated by some other webinar guy. So he has given that one, and it was a fantastic. So in that webinar he has actually explained the NR4 strategy. So, and if you see my tutorial also, you will see the positional NR4 range strategy. So that is got it from there. And what I wanted to do is I study each and everything. If you have seen the scanners, nothing came for free. I studied each and every indicator, each and every pattern, and I need to understand, I need to write the code. And it is not done in one day. I took at least 2 years to build this site. And I need to validate the results also. If I'm saying Dragonfly Doji, if this is not forming the actual Dragonfly Doji, then it is not worth to look for this site. So I have to first read it and understand, then build it and test it. And those things I have done. And so every day I put my efforts. If you see my Twitter handle, every day I used to put at least 1 or 2 new things to my site. So small things only, but it was a, so only my thing is I did small things daily, and within over the 2 years, this is the result.
Sudhakar bhai, so the key to success is daily do something little. So
Yes,
consistency is the key to
consistent.
success.
Correct,
Yeah,
correct
consistency.
way. I did
Yeah.
daily
The-
small things. And
So hitting to gym once in a week and working out for 6 hours is not good, but daily going for half an hour can do wonders. Great,
correct.
great, great. Thank you very much for your this superb presentation about the website, which is very
And friends,
time saving for
yeah, and it is,
every individual trader.
yeah, and the thing is, it is free. Don't mind it. It will be cost. It is free for everyone. You use it whatever the way you want to use it. There is nothing limitations. Nothing stops from you. There are any issues regarding the site, just come to either Telegram channel, or you can email to me.
Thanks, Sudhakar bhai. So thank you very much, and definitely, people get in touch with Sudhakar if you have any questions. He will do the needful if it's possible. If it's not possible, then don't take it as a no. But that is just limitations of coding that he cannot implement in the system.
Ye-
So with this, I think you will make use of this website and save your time in finding which stock and help yourself from not being confused. So this is amazing. Thank you very much for your time and everybody who joined uh, and trusted us. So thank you to them also. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you all. Thank you for trusting me.
Thanks, Sudha.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
You can
Thanks.
now stop the recording and download so that we can share with people who are not able to join it. Yeah.
Okay.